Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Fourth video.
Mm-hmm. You see this?
We
I
got
just
it just spawned.
this spawn. I just killed so many fish gods. Ayan, we can have a god form.
I'm gonna get some sticks for myself.
I'm gonna sleep. I don't know what's wrong with this game, bro. You can only sleep at night. Ayan, just sleep, bro. Just sleep at the yellow bed. I am taking ages, be like. Ayan, the yellow bed.
I am going.
Finally slept. 3, 2, 1, and good morning.
Now can I go grab some sticks?
You're fine.
Thanks.
Until that, I will hunt some gods. I already set some gods on. Yep. There they are. Cooked god.
I have my stone axe. I have my.
Ayan, I cooked
I
god.
have Jimmy.
Let Jimmy the boat.
I'm carrying Jimmy along with me today, since I saw him talking to strangers last time.
I beated him once.
But I forgave him for his kind effort of saving me.
Oh, these gods are so hard to kill.
Alright.
Hello, parrot. So in the last video, I caught the parrot and Taki. But looks like Taki made some friends. And Ayan,
We have Darky too today.
we have a full black not Pokemon, a fish. We will name him Taki 2.0.
You know 2.0 and 2 means the same thing.
We'll name the Taki Green. We can name him Trakini.
Nah.
The Trakini. Yeah, we name him Trakini. I know it sounds like a Pokemon, but it's green and dark. Trakini. So we will name him Trakini, and these other fishes, you can tell the name in the comments down below. And we will name them. And you can tell my pet's name as well. Right now I will name him Bluey.
You are very bad at naming.
And the ground is too dumb in our house, so I will find some Anders. I can have Jimmy. We need to make a dock, Chop down the trees.
Don't. I placed Jimmy.
Yeah, fine.
Now go grab Jimmy.
Wait and see.
Be a good person and grab Jimmy.
Ayan, if there's some saplings, please place it down. Jimmy, come. You have a nice day today. Oh my god, I'm so bad at in boats. Jimmy, Ayan, you take care of Jimmy, okay?
I placed Jimmy down for you.
Take care. He's on the other island. I need to find some andesite today.
Yeah. Jimmy, stay good.
Ooh, do I have torches? Ayan.
Yeah? You want me to make torches?
Yep. Ayan, I have an idea. We both, where are you? Can you swim?
Yeah, you can.
Come to this island.
One sec.
Where's Jimmy?
Your parrot glitched out of existence.
Is it dead?
It's not dead, it just glitched out of existence.
Yeah, fine.
You don't care?
Oh, that's so pretty. There was a cyan plus black. Okay. And you can
What do you want?
come here, bro. I have a cave. We both can explore in that cave. Ayan, that's just... Oh, is that my parrot?
Yeah, I think so.
You literally made him... Oh my god.
I did not hit him at all.
No, you literally made him stand.
How can I make him stand? He's your parrot.
I made him sit. Oh my god, this parrot.
Oh yeah, where's your cave? Where's your cave?
Don't ask right now.
You're mad at your parrot?
Mm-hmm.
Bad parrot. Let me guess. Zombie?
I drowned.
I know, I drowned.
Oh, a trident.
You got it?
No. I was waiting for him to come right
By
now.
the way, I got an apple.
A apple a day keeps the doctor away.
So I'm gonna keep my doctor away.
I'm right. Wait, I need to get some materials.
Yeah, where is your cave?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
First, let me make a iron axe.
Iron axe? You don't save any iron for me?
Where we can make a shield.
You don't save any iron for me?
Chill, I'm joking. I'm making a stone axe, bro.
Good. Oh wait, don't make.
I have two. I can make a sword.
I have a stone axe ready for you.
Give me some. I've only one lost. How much?
I just made a stone axe thinking mine will die in some time.
Ayan, the round. Come fast. Oh, that almost hit you. Okay, give. Ayan, where's Jimmy?
Oh, he's all the way there.
Okay, are you ready? 3. Oh, it's right there. Okay, my axe broke.
You killed me.
I didn't kill you. You were slain by a. Don't you see that chat? Revenge!
Wait, how do I grab on my stuff? Shit.
Why am I not getting any tridents? You come here down.
Maybe where I'm lucky.
That Brown was running for his life. Apple! Apple!
My apple.
I took it.
I took it.
Jimmy! I think you had 2 apples.
I have one.
Ayan, can you bring Jimmy in your inventory?
Yes.
Take him. Is it in your inventory now?
Wait, I need to go to shore for that. Yeah, I don't have my axe anymore. Thank you, Jimmy. You're saving out my life right here.
Jimmy, I'll give you. Oh my god.
Wait, he had my stuff?
Huh.
Did he have my axe?
Who knows?
He had a copper ingot.
That was ours.
I got it now. And now I need a mine for iron. Because I really need iron. Yo, where's your cave?
Yep. Follow me. Arr!
Oh,
I should not do that. Neither you.
yeah. This one, seriously?
Nope.
Okay. I went inside somewhere else. This one?
Nope.
Bro.
Where is that cave? I'm finding it. Oh, this is where I found the iron and all. I guess. Or the stone. Aha, I am here. Do you have torches?
Nope. I can make them right now.
Make him. And give me half of it.
32 should be enough.
Uh-huh. Give it to me.
How much is the half of 32?
Just press it. Done.
That's a bit more than half.
Done. Now give me the 19. Seriously?
Does it look... You got torches, right?
Mm-hmm.
Be happy.
It looks like some pepperoni corn thingy.
Pick it up.
Oh, my inventory is full.
Wait, you have Jimmy.
Uh-huh.
Give me Jimmy then.
You can have your bed.
That's like a
Take.
bed.
Jimmy should stay with this father most of the time.
Yeah, this cave goes down.
Ayan, are you sure you want to risk it?
Real riskers.
Ayan, wait, I have an idea. Do you know what? We can end this.
I found iron down here.
Good.
That iron's mine.
How much iron?
I found one block. Wait, I'm drowning. Yeah.
Wait, I have some wood. I can block off the water.
You know there's no source from where the water is coming.
There is.
Where?
Ayan, come fast. Oh my god, no, 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 not right now. Oh my god, I was about to drown. Okay.
Yeah, I was about to drown as well.
There?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Okay. You're dying?
No.
No?
That iron's mine.
Yeah, fine, but I have the pickaxe.
Even I have a pickaxe.
Okay, wait, I'm blocking this off. Instead of you helping me, you say that iron is mine, that iron. Can you wait?
Okay, I need to swim up fast.
Done. Oh wait.
No, I got one piece. There's 2 more. 3 more actually.
Ayan, just come here, bro. Ayan, you're done.
I died.
Well, I will pick up your stuff. How many tropical fish did you murder?
None. I just got them all. If
Fine.
you pick up my stuff, how will you know whose is whose?
Chill, I have technique. Okay,
Don't
fine.
take my iron.
I do not have your iron. Wait.
You do.
Oh, 3 pieces of iron.
One is mine.
Okay.
Hey, let's sleep first.
Huh?
Let's sleep.
It's not night time.
It is.
Oh shoot. Ayan, your stuff will disappear.
You have it?
Not all of them.
Let me get the rest.
And you have a bed?
Nope.
We need an extra bed, you know.
Wait.
You get your stuff, I will meet you at the island.
Wait, you got everything except... what do you say that?
No, I didn't got everything.
What all did you get?
I got some no, I have only like 1 iron,
You know what?
a
I'm
stone
just dying.
pickaxe of... No, that's mine.
Yeah, I got a stone pickaxe. And I got a bed and I got coal.
You're dying?
No, I'm alive.
Okay, I'll wait you at the boat.
At the boat?
Mm-hmm. Oh shoot.
Okay, yeah, I need a
Jimmy,
run.
let me ride, you dumbo.
I need a run.
Why?
Creeper.
Oh shoot, sit fast. Sit fast.
Board. Ah, shit. I'm sorry.
You're fine, but sit fast right now.
I did.
Shoot. Move away, spider.
You need a run.
Oh shit. Mm-hmm. I guess we need to spend our right.
Oh, shit.
Uh-huh, you saw that?
Creeper in the land.
And you're killing it. Don't make it explode.
We
I will
have
die.
our fishes.
Oh, phew. Seriously?
Yeah. Wait, do we have darky one? Wait.
Just sleep, bro. We'll check it morning.
Darky one is the only fish that survived.
No. Well, we make RIP for them.
I'm sleeping.
Sign. We make RIP for them.
Now I need to go grab new stuff. Shoot. Give me 1 piece of iron. Bye.
Darky and Mr.
Darky only survived.
Yeah. Our original fish survived.
Yeah, guys. This is how the video is going right now.
Mm-hmm. Unexpected.
Unexpected turn. Wait, where's the cave?
Why is the parrot seriously glitching?
Oh wait, I found the cave. You think I should risk my life again?
Nope. Wait for me, bro. My parrot is so dumb. Oh my god. Did we have 2 parrots?
No one.
Oh my god, I had lots in my country. Oh my god. I'm gonna die again. Need to finish this drown off. Jimmy! Jimmy!
I died. But I covered myself.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna make this guy regret for killing me.
If you die, then I can die.
Kill this idiot. Why are you killing me? Kill the drown and don't take my stuff or else I will kill you instead.
I am going to take my stuff right now.
Okay, fine. I'll take care of these idiots. Guys, I'll be right in a minute. So guys, we are back. And yep, we finally killed that drown. Oh,
And
my
I got 10
sticks.
pieces of iron. from
Ayan, we have a
mining.
trader. What did... Sorry, bro. Trade.
I'm smelting my iron ingots.
Why are the llamas dying? Oh, they're killing each other. Stop killing you both. Yeah. Idiots. Idiots. Spit on me. Spit on me.
I mined the melon.
Stop setting. Stop, bro. Stop.
What happened?
My parrot is the problem.
A wandering trader. What do you have to trade?
It's just useless. Kill him off. By the way, Ayan.
You're saying gunpowder is useless?
Yup.
Huh?
Yup.
You know you can make TNT out of that, right?
Who needs TNT right now?
Oh my gosh. Fine, I'ma kill him. Die.
Anyways, we don't have emeralds. Man, will this parrot leave me?
Yes, the llamas are free. Okay, I'm under our base.
Uh-huh. Finally, my parrot went off. I just found a cheat. This plant was drowned.
Why did I throw cooked cord?
Leave me alone, you dumbo.
9. Last piece. 10. I got 10 pieces of iron. Let's go.
Let's not go for me.
Why?
Because of this dumb parrot. Uh-huh. I suffer. Parrots are literal. Oh my god, they're so annoying.
You want to kill your parrot?
No. Just dies naturally, that's enough.
What else can I make?
I'm just going
Should
to...
I make a chest plate?
Don't you dare make a chest plate.
Why? Why?
It's literally half of water. Don't make a chest plate, make some tools, my guy.
Why not a chest
How
plate?
many iron do you have?
10.
10, give me some 5. Give me 5. Give me a random thing. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. That's all I need. Give me 5 iron.
Wait.
And finally, I have 5 iron and I'm making a tool.
And I do not have sticks.
Ayan,
I do not have sticks.
Ayan, I didn't check anything under the... Wait a minute, guys. Ayan, it's raining. Great.
Should I make an axe or a pickaxe?
Don't just make axe.
Okay.
No, I will make axe.
I can make a pickaxe. I can make a sword
Wait,
or a
I'll
shovel.
make a shield. Make a shield. I'm making a shield for myself.
I can make 2 shields.
Okay, make a shield for me then. Oh my god, I can make.
Come here.
Wait, I need to
I
make
made
a
you a
axe.
shield.
Thank you. I have a stone axe.
I gave
Okay.
you your shield.
Thank you. And we need to sleep.
Yeah, I'm asleep.
Ayan, you had a bed. Why don't you? This is not your house, villager.
Wandering trader, get away from my bed. I'm sleeping on the ground.
Huh.
Because
Yeah.
I placed my bed in the ground.
I guess we can find some andesite today.
Andesite or bandesite? Tandesite.
Ayan,
Hmm?
I never checked in down of the portal. Shall we?
Don't.
It's too risky. We can stain the doors, right?
No, it's too
I
risky.
have some doors. Wait, let me test it out. I can test it. Dark. Tartinies.
No. Hello, Kush, please.
It doesn't work.
That's because you need 4 doors.
Oh,
Or 3. No, 4.
okay.
4 doors placed right next to each other.
Thank you, Tartini, whatever. Rename it Tartini.
I will kill this wandering trader.
Go ahead. You're most welcome.
His llamas are next. Because they spit on me.
Just spit it on the wrong person. You know, I don't get to spit it on. Yeah. Oh no, finally. And
I kill one llama.
no, it doesn't work, Sam.
I kill one llama. I killed another llama.
Good.
And I got leather. 1 piece of leather.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't work?
I'm testing something out.
Why'd you place 2 cobblestone?
Don't ask. You know why. What are you whispering to yourself? Okay, nope. I died.
Come out!
I'm trapped.
My gosh.
I'm down. Don't take my stuff.
Krish, no.
It's a suicide machine.
Suicide. What do you think people will want to suicide?
I don't know what to think.
You want me to place saplings? And I have 9.
Can I borrow your pickaxe?
Which one, the wooden or the stone?
Any pickaxe.
Fine.
Okay. Fishy. Not fish. Where's Taki?
Did he die?
Oh no, he's next to the door.
Where?
Oh, he's dead.
He's in. I see your stuff. You have a lot of stuff now.
Like some stuff? Oh.
I have very less stuff.
Hold on, this might be the trap. I need to go from here, I guess. Yep.
You're drowning.
I don't care, bro. What do I have? I only have a pickaxe. Okay.
Yeah, I'm on the surf. I'm on the other
Okay,
island.
finally. Now get rid of this. Darky's getting irritated, mister. Oh my god, why couldn't you just give me a stone axe? A stone pickaxe. No, I have my stuff. Ooh. Why does he love staying underground? Why does Darky love staying underground?
Because he's a fish.
Good answer. Not variable. Ayan,
Yeah?
can you do one thing?
No, I'm mining.
I need to patch up this thing. We can add some. I could have making shears to get some. Wait, I guess I can make shears. Can I?
Smelt your iron and
Yes, I have to. I have exact two. Okay, let's get some sea grasses.
And yeah, time to get back to normal.
Okay.
I found diorite.
Find andesite.
I found deep slate.
Get some deep slate fast. Get every deep slate as possible. Where are you? That's not the question. Get some deep slate.
Yeah, I took how much deep. Okay, yeah, this is some more deep slate.
Just
Wow,
get
there's a lot of deep slate.
get much. Get how much deep slate you can. Did you take an extra bed?
Oh yeah.
Good. Now can I pick this?
I found deep slated coal.
I don't care.
Or
Just
maybe
get.
it's just normal deep slate.
It's just coal. That's it.
No, it's normal deep slate.
Oh. I need kelp. Oh. Speaking of kelp,
Yeah, how much deep slate do you want?
30.
30.
Yes, sir.
30 pieces of deep slate.
Uh huh.
Not 1330.
Uh huh.
Oh
Why?
my god.
Too much?
Yeah, it is a bit too much. I have 23.
Today we are decorating Dark Tratini's fish tank.
I have 23. Bro, my pickaxe will break at this point.
Do you have extra bed?
Yeah?
Then sleep when I tell you it's night time.
Yeah. Yeah, I have 32 pieces.
Oh shoot.
I'm set.
Fine, come faster. Because it's about to get night time.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I have 13 sand. Yep, I have 13 sand. Kelp, I'm coming for you. I added some kelp to the fish tank.
Okay.
Taki will love it. Because that's the only sea plant I could find.
Yeah, I'm just a lot of blocks away from the surface.
See, Ayan? That's why you should get shears. I guess sea grasses do get once you're on the sea grass, I guess so. Okay.
Wait.
I baked.
I found granite. You want it?
No, I don't want granite. Okay, I'm growing more sugarcane. Any process in the food? Oh, we got wheat. Lovely. Where's my hoe? Oh, my hoe broke.
Yay, I'm at the surface with 2 blocks to spare. 2
Good.
blocks of cobblestone.
Oh my. Oh, I didn't put the shield on. I just jumped on it. I'm so dumb.
Come here. Come to me.
Yeah, what? What do you want now?
I don't want anything.
You giving me? You have, yep. Wait a minute.
Till then I'll keep it.
I'm just throwing out the junk.
Everything is done for you basically. Except few things.
I can't just put you in it. I don't know why. There is my hoe. I was finding it.
This is why you don't keep junk.
Guys, junk is really bad for your health.
Especially in Minecraft.
Oh, bones. Bone me.
Especially when this fills up your damn chest.
You're not filling up my chest. That's it. Come on, though.
Yeah, you want it now?
Wait. My father just offed this.
Yeah, you picked up the deep slate I gave you.
Okay.
You picked up the deep slate I gave you.
I I don't know why is this not working. Finally. It worked. Stop playing with the damn toy. Yeah, I gave you deep sleep. Please tell me. Oh my god, I made it a white tie. Wait a minute, guys. Flies, we are finally back. Oh,
Bro, hi, I gave you the deep
can you
sleep.
just sleep?
Seriously, that's how you needed to what?
So, guys, Ayan,
Yeah.
can you come here? We need some lights, bro. Oh,
Yeah, what?
kick out your bed. What did I broke? Oh my god. You come here, right here. Fence.
I am here.
No, I'm talking about the slabs.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
the old slabs.
Mm-hmm. Hello. Okay, I don't care what you see. Do you take your bed?
I did not.
That I'm giving you. Ayan, our crops are growing peacefully.
Okay.
Where are the seeds?
How am I supposed to know?
Okay. So Ayan, come here. Oh my god, come here.
I am here.